welcome to the channel. This is Sam. So today we're going to see how to use Everipedia. Now Everipedia was this year, and in case you don't know what Everipedia is, Everipedia is a blockchain version of Wikipedia, right? So of course, if you're using Wikipedia, you don't get rewarded for using Wikipedia. But if you use Everipedia, you get rewarded for using Everipedia. So you get rewarded in IQ tokens. Right, so I'm going to quickly run through on how to use Everipedia. It's quite easy. So the first thing you need to do is get scatter, and I would advise you get desktop version of the scatter. So once you get scatter, you just fill in your password and you log in, right? So once you get into your scatter, of course your scatter will be open, then you can actually click here because my scatter is locked, so that's why you're seeing get scatter here. Alright, so I'm unlocking scatter right now. Okay, once your scatter is open, all you just have to do is refresh this page, and then you see your username, your EOS account username here. Now that reminds me, you need to have an EOS account, right? So you see your EOS account username here that is linked to the scatter. Right, now this means you're logged in to Everipedia. So let me just walk you through. So if you click this button here, that is the feed button, and once you click the feed button, you can see the recent activities on Everipedia. Now I wish they could we could have different feeds, could have popular, could have trending, have new or recent activities, so instead of merging all at once. But for now, this is how it works. Right, but I wish they could have several sections. We could have um, popular or maybe trending, new or whatever. Okay, so for you to make an article on Everipedia, first of all, you need to have what is currently called brain power, and you want to change that. All right, so right now I have 3573 brain power, and I have 0.547 Everipedia. So how do you get brain power? Now, if you've used Steam before, we have Steam and we have Steam power. On Everipedia, we have IQ tokens, then we have brain power. So brain power is what you need to make articles or vote on posts. So if you click brain power there, or brain, it's loading. So staking IQ tokens will freeze them for 21 days and will generate non-transferable brain power, which can be used for editing and voting on the Everipedia network. At the end of the 21 days, you can claim back your IQ tokens and restake them for more brain power again. Thus, IQ staked every 21 days can lead to 365 days divided by 21 days equals, so this is the formula. So if you stake any quantity of IQ tokens you have, this is what you will get in here. So as you make pages, propose edits, and vote on article proposals, you consume brain power, right? So the more you vote and the more articles you make, the brain power you consume. So if you have more articles to make and then you have limited brain power, you have to be wise to make sure you vote the right articles, and also the main point is just for you to manage your brain power, right? So therefore you can generate more brain power and any profit by staking the new IQ tokens you get. So I initially staked 5,000 IQ tokens. I was able to make extra 1,000 from the first article I made. So the extra 1,356 what IQ tokens I think I had some extra outside the platform. So I just know the gains I've been making. What I do is once I make extra gain, I just take them, like they said here. Um, so therefore, you can generate more brain power by staking the new IQ tokens. So this is what I've been doing. The new ones that comes in, I've been staking. So this one that I have here, once it gets up to like 100 or so, although I've written some more articles, so I've created some more pages rather. So once the payout comes, I'll have to restake to get some more brain, right? So let's go back to recent activities. Right, so this is recent activities. Now let me explain what this means. Right, so this is a page that has been created by this username, the date it was created and the time it was created. So this is the hash, and these are different pages that was created, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to pick a page at random and see how it works, right? Now before you create a page, let's actually want to create a page for Barack Obama. So you first of all search if there is any Barack Obama that has been created already, because it's not been nice. Okay, there is a Barack Obama here and it has 4,327 views. Now it will not be wise to create another Barack Obama. All you can do is, since you have IQ tokens, sorry, brain power. So let's go back to our Barack Obama. Since you have brain power, you can edit these articles and add more things to the articles, right? So this is the page for Barack Obama. So you can click to make changes here, or maybe there are some you have one or two informations that you want to add. You can click this button here and edit, and then submit your edits. Once you submit them, you get um, rewarded once it's time for payout, and you can also check those that are voted. But let's see how to write an article, right? Okay. Just quickly create one so we can see how to do this. Right, so to write an article, um, let's go back. I can't find my name here anymore, so I think I've been. Let's see. Right, to write a new article. Now remember, if you want to vote on this article and you like it, you can vote here. This is you click here to edit, and you click here to view um, the article. So to create new page, I don't know why I keep calling article. Okay, let's assume your name is I'm sure we have Binance already. We should have Binance already. Oh, there's no Binance. All right, so there's no Binance, so we can create Binance. So you create, you put the name. If the name is not existing already, so you click create, right? So once it loads, you whatever I want to write here, right? Let me just get some. All right, so I just got a little write-up somewhere about Binance. So now let's assume you're writing about a popular person in your community or your country. So once you get your write-up together, now for the sake of the plagiarism, write it yourself. But if you're getting it from somewhere, make sure you cite. So let's quickly learn how to cite. So you got this article, and then you want to cite this article. So what you just have to do is put uh put the cursor here, and then you click cite. First of all, get the link. Okay, I want to use this link for the citing. Copy. Now remember, this is just an example. So I want to cite. I'll click that. Click there. Put the URL and type. Let me get this. I'm describing the URL. I could say this page, this part was gotten from blog. This part was gotten from this. Now remember, this is just an article for you to be good at this, you need to practice. Right, so I don't want this video to be too long. So that's how to cite. And if you want media to the gallery, let's say you want to add a video, so you can put the video or you put the link. So I think I have a link here. All right, that's a link to a YouTube video for Binance YouTube, and then you click add link. Once you do that, so that's the video right there. All right, so once we're done, I'll show you exactly what everything looks like. All right, so quickly let's add his picture. Now to add a picture, you click here. Remember, you can add several pictures. So either you drag and drop, or you just get a picture and then type something under there like Binance, something like describing the picture, and you click OK, and then let it load, and boom. Okay, so that's right there. So Binance is a company. Page type is gonna be it's gonna be an organization and a company. And then now to add info, so all you just have to do is click new, and then you type let's assume I was writing about CZ. So all I just have to do is put his information there. So you can put let's say you want to put phone number or whatever, or this or this. All you just have to do is put what you want to put here and here. So maybe you could put phone number and then type the phone number here, or you put location, you type the location here, you put address and type the main address here. So you click save here and save here, and then lastly click add info box item. Then once you're done, to get added there, you get click close. Once you're done adding whatever you want, now remember you can click all these functions to see how they work and everything. And then once you're done with your editing, you add whatever you want to add. Now remember, you need to have brain power, right? So you click submit. Once you click submit, sorry, scatter will load. Hold on, why is it showing? Okay, I'm supposed to cite. Okay, to cite. So put the cursor there, and then you click cite and choose the link you want to cite from. Let's go with that link, and you click submit again. So it has accepted. Right, so it's prompting me to through scatter. So this is the proposal, this is the proposed article, the hash and everything. So you click allow. It's using 0.72% of my CPU. So that's going to load and submit to the blockchain. All right, so Binance has been submitted to the blockchain. All right, so this is the hash, and this is the little stuff that I was written about Binance, right? So this is the current vote. That means now once you bring your cursor over to this point, it will tell you the number of people that have voted. So just one person has voted, and that's Hayden BVGEGE, and that is my username. So if 100 people vote, you will see the different people that voted and the weight at which they voted. Now, if you want to add more votes to this, all I just have to do is increase. And first of all, you need to know the number of IQ. I have 500, so I can put 500 here and vote approve rather. Now there's a sharing formula which I'm going to drop a link to an article so you guys can read how the sharing formula is. If you use Steam, it's Everipedia should be very easy for you to use. Okay, now it has increased to 550. Now if I click that, so that means vote. Actually, there were two votes at different times and from the same person because we have the same username. So to view this article, how it will look like, so you click article there, and this is what it looks like. But I'm going to give you another article that is way longer than this so we can see what it looks like. So this is the video. All right, so this is my own page. on Everipedia, as you can see, this is